are you looking at pitching some of these digital asset treasury companies that are holding assets like Bitcoin, where, again, no native yield, but you can go to them and say, hey, while just having the assets sit on your balance sheet, why don't you put it to work? And you could do that on Flare.
Absolutely, we already are. That's what Vivo and everything blockchain are. As we expand the assets that Flare can take in, beyond XRP, it obviously gives us a greater set of institutions or companies, digital asset treasuries that we can pitch. Today we're fairly limited to pitching XRP-specific treasury companies. Obviously, as we add other assets, that increase.
Seems like a big opportunity with all this trend is growing significantly. You're seeing companies around the world, publicly traded, adding crypto to their balance sheet, and many are raising a lot of capital to buy these assets. So it seems like it's another big opportunity here.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.